You know, there's something powerful about the moment you decide enough is enough. Maybe you're in that space right now, feeling the weight of financial worries, health struggles, or the urge for true freedom. But what if I told you that the greatest comeback of your life is not only possible, it's within your reach? Let me tell you what I've learned. My own journey was not without its fair share of setbacks. There was a time when I felt like I was trapped in a maze with no exit, stressed about money, tired, burned out. But that period taught me something that I want to share with you today. It's that change doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with a simple decision to try again. Let's talk about the first pillar of any great comeback: money. Here's the truth. Financial health isn't about flashy cars or big houses. It's about freedom. It's about waking up without that pit in your stomach, wondering how you'll pay the next bill. And to get there, you don't need a miracle. You need a plan. Start by cutting out the noise. Review your budget, trim down unnecessary expenses, and build a cushion, your emergency fund. It doesn't need to be perfect, just consistent. And when you're ready, take that next step. Invest in yourself. Whether it's learning a new skill or starting a small side hustle, the effort will pay off. But money alone won't give you peace. Trust me, I know. The second pillar is health. How many times have we pushed our bodies to the limit, thinking we'll take care of ourselves later? Well, later has a funny way of never arriving until it's too late. Reclaiming your health doesn't mean a total overhaul. It means one good habit at a time. Start with moving your body, even if it's just a walk around the block. Hydrate, rest, and feed your body like it's your most precious asset, because it is. The energy you gain isn't just fuel for your day. It's the foundation for everything you want to achieve. And that brings me to the third pillar: freedom. True freedom is living life on your terms, being in control of your time, your actions, and your thoughts. But here's the catch. It starts with setting boundaries. Start saying no to what drains you and yes to what fuels you. Cultivate relationships that uplift you, and don't be afraid to spend time alone to reconnect with what truly matters. Now, I won't tell you that this journey's easy. It isn't. There will be days when doubt creeps in and you wonder why you're even trying. On those days, remember this: small, consistent actions compound over time. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Here's one last story for you. I remember a time when I felt so lost, I didn't know where to start. So I did the simplest thing. I made my bed each morning. It sounds trivial, right? But that small win created a ripple effect. It made me feel like I had control, even in the smallest way. From there, I took one step, then another. Your greatest comeback starts with that first step. Whether it's budgeting, stretching for 10 minutes a day, or carving out time to reflect, know this: you are capable of more than you think. So, what's your first step going to be? Drop it in the comments below and let's start this journey together. And remember, comebacks are built, not wished for. If this spoke to you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more videos on how to rebuild and thrive. Here's to your greatest comeback.